Syria's health minister said on Monday the number of people killed overnight in Israeli strikes had risen to 18, with dozens more wounded. It's the largest death toll in such an attack since the beginning of the war in Gaza 11 months ago. Israel regularly targets military sites in Syria linked to Iran and the Lebanese militant group Hezbollah, but the intensity of the strikes were unusual. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres said on Monday in an AP interview the UN is willing to monitor any ceasefire in Gaza. AP correspondent Ed Donahue reports.
Guterres is demanding an end to the fighting.
I've never seen such a level of death and destruction as we are seeing in Gaza in the last few months.
But Guterres says it's unrealistic to think the UN could play a role in Gaza's future.
Of course, we would be ready to do whatever the international community asks for us. The question is whether the parties would accept it, and in particular, whether Israel would accept it.
Guterres says Israel is unlikely to accept a UN role. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and his government have accused the UN of being anti-Israel. I'm Ed Donahue.
Venezuela's opposition leader, Maria Corina Machado, addressed the exile of former opposition candidate Edmundo Gonzalez on Monday, saying the opposition considers him the elected president of Venezuela. Gonzalez arrived in Spain on Sunday after he fled there into exile as part of a negotiated deal with Nicolas Maduro's government that dealt a major blow to millions who placed their hopes in his opposition campaign after the July 28th presidential election. This is VOA News. Tuesday's U.S. presidential debate feels like a heavyweight boxing match with former President Donald Trump in the Republican corner and current Vice President Kamala Harris in the Democrat corner. Trump's last debate performance knocked President Joe Biden out of the race. VOA's Anita Powell reports from the White House.
June's Trump-Biden debate drew more than 51 million U.S. television viewers. Analysts expect big numbers for this matchup, too, and high stakes for both contenders. Moderators will pepper the candidates with questions on major issues like the economy, reproductive rights, foreign policy, and more. Each candidate, given only a pen, paper, and water, has 2 minutes to reply. It all happens in Philadelphia, the city of brotherly love, on Tuesday night. Anita Powell, VOA News, the White House.
Pakistani police on Monday arrested several top leaders from former imprisoned Prime Minister Imran Khan's opposition party, a day after some people clashed with the police. Among the detainees accused of inciting violence was the president of the party. Videos circulating online showed police taking the party head out of his vehicle on Monday before whisking him away to a police station. The party said in a statement other top party officials were arrested in multiple ongoing raids but didn't disclose how many were detained. Britain's Princess Kate said on Monday she had finished her course of preventative chemotherapy for cancer. Reuters correspondent Lucy Fielder reports.
Kensington Palace released video conveying a personal message from the Princess of Wales, who appears with her husband, Prince William, and their 3 young children, George, Louis and Charlotte. The 42-year-old wife of the heir to Britain's throne underwent major abdominal surgery in January, which revealed the presence of cancer. Kate said the treatment gave her a new perspective.
This time has above all reminded William and me to reflect and be grateful for the simple yet important things in life, which so many of us often take for granted, of simply loving and being loved.
Kate said she would be carrying out a handful of public engagements later this year.
Reuters correspondent Lucy Fielder. U.S. prosecutors unveiled criminal charges on Monday against 2 alleged leaders of a white supremacist gang, saying they used the Telegram social media site to solicit attacks on black, Jewish, LGBTQ people and immigrants, aiming to incite a race war. The group, dubbed the Telegram Collective, used the site to celebrate white supremacist attacks around the world and solicit racially motivated violence. Prosecutors said in an indictment unsealed in federal court in California.
Thank you for watching. Can you do me a favor? Please leave a comment in the comment section below. That would really help. Thank you, and see you again soon.